East Khasi Hills Police registered a case against the top HYC leaders under the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act and other sections of the IPC for illegally carrying out an eviction drive against settlers in Lum Survey area. Informing this, East Khasi Hills SP Rituraj Ravi said that the police have booked the accused persons under different sections in accordance with the nature of the incident. The case was filed at the Sadar police station against HYC President Roy Kupar Sindrem, Vice President Donbok Kharlingdo, Assistant General Secretary Isaac Basayomite and several others. Police have also made deployments in the area.
We have registered one case at Sadar PS under various sections of IPC and MMPO. The matter is under investigation and it's an ongoing investigation. We are ensuring that rule of law prevails and that investigation in the matter in this particular case progresses as per the provisions of law. The sections that have been applied in this particular case strictly pertain to the crimes that have been committed and the incident that happened yesterday. All the sections that we have applied in this particular case are strictly in accordance with the events that unfolded yesterday.
The Deputy